Hello, it's Dee Dee, the girl, and a girl, a game, and a goal. Welcome back to my channel. And so today's game is Mandala, and our goal is to actually open the box, see what is inside, have a chit chat. So, you guys, I changed it up from the last video, so if you have come back and you are subscribed and you got that notification, thank you so much. So tell me what you think, because I had the half size and then I had the half for the game, and I was over here and maybe not everything was inside the visual when I would bring it over. Now I wanted to do a playthrough of a game. You probably saw that video too, maybe not, but it's on my channel. And I just didn't have a footprint that warranted that game. I did post my shenanigans because, hey, why not? You know, I talked about the game. I talked about the components. I talked about the gameplay. And we did a few hands. So I left it. Hopefully it didn't upset most of you. But I did warn people in the video's description and in the title that it was not complete. So anyway, this one is an unboxing of what's inside the box. And so I always do like an unboxing of like the stuff that I get when I order stuff, and I show you guys what I order. But I said, you know what, going in to every single game in that one video can be so long, and I don't want the videos to be that long. I mean, unless it's a playthrough video, then yeah, and that I have to get better at. So Mandala. It is a 2-player game, so that is nice. It would have been nice if it would have been a 1-player game. But hey, can't always have that. So 2-player, 20 minutes, 10 years and older. My thing is that I don't know what the mechanics are completely. I saw this on Shut Up and Sit Down. Quint was talking about games. I bought it. I think I mentioned that in the unboxing. That's why I bought it. And so let's take a look. So standard. Now the rule book. Oh wow, this is like super thin and super simple. Wow, my whole screen. Ooh, anyway, so you have, oh, it has a nice play mat. So you have opponent's river, your river, a mountain, the course of play, A, B, and C, very clear. More description as to the components of what goes into that play, the rule of the colors, completing a mandala, destroying a mandala, no card in the field. So it seems as if it's like really, you know, clear. So this should be interesting. And it's very much not much in the box other than cards, right? So there are 2 different backs. I'll open these up. Only because why not? But I wish I had some baggies. I don't know if I have any sitting around anywhere, because I don't like when the cards like slip and slide all over the place. But they may have to do that for the interim. Okay, we'll deal with it. This is nice. Yes, I'm gonna smell it because whew, it does smell funky. I don't know if it's going to give off a smell. You have to probably just air it out, maybe. If you have people with sensitive noses. But, like, who's around people these days? But let's see. Wow. This barely fits my play area. Now, it fits my play area, but the camera does not zoom out any further than this, of where I'm at. Now, I probably could get the camera to be a little higher than what it is right now, but the problem is that it doesn't have like a remote control zoom. So I'd be like, every time I gotta change it. So I've been trying to adjust so for now, and I also don't know why it's so dark. All my lighting was the same, but it's really cute. I like that it has the spots for the cards. Both players have their rivers. You've got the mandala here, and you've got these 2. Now they are this. Are they the same? No, they are different in their design. So, this is a nice component. This is really, really pretty. Like I said, it does have a smell because it was printed. It's probably, what is this? Does it even, oh, it has a label. Look at that. Designed in Germany. 100% Bauwohl cotton. Okay. 60 degrees. You can iron it. You should not do some other things with it. I don't know. Anyway. So, it's nice. It's nice. You can wash it if you have to. If you get, you know, spilled on it. Which, who eats at the table? Who drinks at the table? You would not normally have something like this open. Where's my thing right here? When you are playing a game, you would probably have the cover, but maybe you don't. The box, standard box, it is a little bit thinner than I probably would have liked, but hey. Alright, so let's take a look at this first one. This one is the one that has the black and white side. I'm gonna look in the rule book and see if this has a specific name. I'm hoping that my nails do not make a mark. Because, you know, I have to have my nails did. Like I say in every video, this is the same one. I'm making a few videos in a day that then I can have scheduled to upload throughout the week. I want to have more content out there. Okay, so, okay. So these seem to be cards, I guess, maybe to tell you the phases. A, B, and C. Because the A was green. So this is reminders, one for each person who's playing. Other than that, the backs of the cards, everything else is the same. The fronts of the cards are different colors. Yellow, purple, black. So there's 3 colors in here. Yes, I'm going to put them back like that. And those up. No. So I'm looking for that little piece because it does have that little strip on the edge so that you can open up the cards. There's always techniques. Everybody has different techniques for opening cards. There are people that can push it and it's like it just slips and slides and boom, it's free. I am trying to make it so that I don't have to mess up anything and that my nails don't mark the cards. So those were yellow, purple. Now we have red. We have like an orangey base. Green, my favorite color. Well, for this channel, my favorite color. And the yellow, so there's one that's over here. So, there we go. So that is, they're nice. The yellow's a little bit, but they all have like a mandala that is very faint. The design. So there's the design. Here's the design for the purple. Here's the design for the, I would say black. Okay, so there's 3 colors there. And then let me show these before I put them back in the box. There's that one, the red. Here's your orange design. And another green design. So, why did I, oh, green was before I showed it to you. I'm like, wait a minute, didn't we have 2 green designs? So this is what you have. The cards are pretty thick. They feel nice. They're smooth. They don't have a linen finish. They're just, you know, nice. They feel nice. The cards here for you to know your next steps. And you have 18 sand cards. So they're sand cards in each of 6 colors. Action overview cards and your play mat. So this is nice. Probably will hopefully try to get this to the table. I want to look into trying. I don't think I can switch it meaning stream it on my Twitch channel because I do that, and I'm gonna keep mentioning things because maybe you're following me and you're a subscriber and you're coming back for more. Maybe this is your first time. Hello and welcome. But yeah, so I have a Twitch channel. I have a bunch of channels on YouTube. Not a bunch, I have 3. I have a vloggy channel, which is like life, and it's kind of turned into like some crazy makeup. Not crazy makeup, but like it's just like I'm crazy and I talk about makeup. But not beauty guru. It's gonna expand. But I do have the crafting channel, and honestly, I think that I'm gonna cross over with this one because I have a channel that has. I think it's on this channel. Board game bits from scratch. So I was taking inspiration or taking actual board game bits or whatever, or any kind of thing that could be related back to board games, and I was making a craft of it. And I was uploading it to one of my channels. I want to say this channel. It could have been the Crafty channel. And if I haven't done that, I'm going to cross over. But this is a game that we were considering for one of our streams. So I have my channel that I stream on Twitch. Again, still working on getting a schedule because I want it to be that I do it for fun and not for work. Because this is, you know, I'm not getting anything. I have not enough followers. I have not enough minutes viewed. I just do this for me and my love of the game. And half the time, who knows if I even know what I'm talking about. But I'm here, you're here, so we're having some kind of fun. But I was thinking of maybe crossing this over because we were going to do mandala for my other Twitch stream, which I do with 3 other ladies over in Twitchland, that we do board game craft wars. We kind of stole the idea from another YouTube channel that's Crafty, and we create based on a board game theme. But we were going to do mandala, and then we're going to do something different because we know of another designer, another company. So this was Trevor Benjamin and Brett J. Gilbert from Outlook Games. We're looking at another game called Mandala Stones, which I don't know, mandalas are big in the crafting world, and they have a few games that came out with this visual style in the board game world. So, you know, trends do cross over from one hobby to another. So what I'm thinking is that I would love to do a crossover and use this as inspiration. Now, I would never use the cards because they're brand new, and there was no pop-outs for me to use, but the idea of a mandala, making a craft that highlights this kind of style, I think I'm going to do that. So I might make some cards and show you how simple it is that you could do cards and make those invitations to your next board game night. Anyway, so, or even if it's a board game Zoom, you could make a postcard and with the mandala theme and send it to your invitees. But we'll see. And if that happens and comes to fruition, I hope that you will enjoy it. Other than that, remember, we need to keep on playing more games. And that, you know, my other go-to slogan is well, it's everything is not a spectator sport. So board games are not a spectator sport. So you need to grab those dice and play. And hopefully I will get something to the table soon. And we can play, or I can play, and you can see a full game playthrough, and look for more unboxings, because I will be back with more, because I just can't stop. And I have a lot of games that I could explore on my shelf of shame. Some people say shelf of opportunity. And so come back and we will have a look-see. And let me know if there's any game that you want to take a look at of inside of that I may have. I can share that with you. Leave that information in the comments. Check the descriptions for all my other channels and links. And I will see you next time. So take it easy and bye.